Tracing is the killer app for making things go faster, and Oracle has one of the best tracing features in the industry. But tracing sounds like a hassle. You have to type extra code to turn it on and off. You'll need host access to use grep or whatever to figure out which file is yours, and then FTP or whatever to download it. And of course, good luck with that, because that is a security problem. If you finally do get your trace file, it covers your whole Oracle session, not just the experience you're trying to measure. So now you have to do more work to isolate just the data you're looking for. Nobody is going to want to do all of that. But with the right tool, you can do it whenever you want, even hundreds of times per day, without even having to think about it. Method R Trace is an extension for Oracle SQL Developer that's unbelievably easy to use. It does two things. It creates exactly the trace file you want, and it puts that file right where you want it. Method R Trace is secure and completely automatic. It does its job with no extra typing and no extra clicks. Your Method R Trace experience centers around a SQL Developer button you already use every day. It's the Run Script button. When Method R Trace is enabled, clicking that normal Run Script button does its normal thing, plus all of our tracing stuff. With Method R Trace enabled, doing only what you were going to do anyway creates your perfect trace file right on your workstation. Now, when you trace a lot, you create a lot of files that you'll need to keep organized. Method R Trace uses your file system to do the organizing. You can group files, for example, by project, application, and function. Method R Trace puts your files where you want them as you create them, nice and organized right from the start. Developers and DBAs need Oracle trace files to test, tune, and troubleshoot their code. Method R Trace makes tracing unbelievably easy, and it integrates seamlessly with our flagship Method R Workbench application, which makes managing, mining, and manipulating trace files simple, even if you have thousands of them. Method R Trace is available by itself or as part of your Method R Workbench purchase. Find out more at methodr.com.